generative AI is going to unlock the full potential of robotics?
It is definitely an important factor, but it's not everything. A lot of hardware developments are also required, especially in operating your fingers. Moreover, a lot of models these days don't take into account the touch feedback when you are doing something. That is a critical element, although you can do 70-80% of the task without that input. But in order for the robot to be completely effective and do everything a human can, those touch inputs are required. So some hardware advancements need to be there. And then the data that you talked about, if you're training a general model which is able to do everything based on language instruction, we need a very large data set for that. We have certain advantages there that Fareed, you can talk about.
Yeah, so we have the lowest cost of acquiring data sets in the world right now. So when you take Tesla, when you take Figure, when you take any of these amazing companies out there in the US, they still spend about like $50 an hour to collect data sets. And that's because just the cost of labor is higher in the US. In India, on the other hand, there are a lot of these engineers who graduate every year and who are unable to find jobs. Like they are from tier 3, tier 4 colleges. They might even be the college topper, but yet they might be forced to do a delivery boy job or a Uber driver job because of the lack of opportunities. Right. And whatever opportunity we provide to them to become a dataset collector for robotics is significantly better than a Swiggy or any of those grey collar, blue collar jobs. And at the same time, it's for us as a company, it's still very, very cheap compared to the US counterparts. So that allows us to actually gather a lot of data sets at a fraction of price of what a Figure, Tesla, or any of the other companies could.
We are not in a hurry to collect a large scale data set, because even if you do that, there are still some gaps in the hardware that need to be solved. But given this advantage, we too have a plan to collect large scale data and train a general model on top of it.